Yumain's embedded technology significantly reduces the workload involved in images acquisition and optimizes the processing of data through its immediate availability in your systems. Yumain has developed state-of-the-art, ultra-compact industrial cameras that meet all integration requirements in your installations. Artificial intelligence is directly embedded in the intelligent sensors, and thanks to this technology, the processing usually carried out in the cloud is performed directly in the sensor. Thanks to our expertise in real-time signal processing and information acquisition in an industrial environment, we have developed a brand new AI engine coupled with a dedicated data memory, which allows the information processing flow to be integrated directly into the sensor. Numerous sectors of activity can already benefit from this powerful technology. Yumain acts effectively to prevent collisions between pedestrians and forklift trucks. Excessive speed, poor visibility. When working with forklift trucks, the causes of accidents are multiple and increasingly frequent, despite the many devices available on the market. Our intelligent sensor analyzes and detects risky situations in real time to warn pedestrians and forklift drivers of a potential collision. Thanks to our sensor, your employees always work safely. Yumain is the ultimate vision in advance, a vision of a technological world that significantly increases your productivity while respecting the safety and privacy of your employees as well as the environment. It is this AI that we would like to share with you.